Welcome back, troops. Today's mission is all about securing the best kept secret in home buying, the VA loan. And no, I'm not just saying that because I'm a loan officer in the military and I think they're amazing.
I don't believe you.
Well, okay, maybe I am. Whether you're active duty, a vet, or a military spouse, if you're ready to own a piece of the American dream, then this is for you. We're breaking down everything a beginner needs to know about VA loans. And trust me, it's easier than navigating basic training.
To do whatever you tell me, drill sergeant.
So let's have some fun. So let's start with the basics. A VA loan is a home loan benefit from the Department of Veterans Affairs, just for us, the military family. Picture it like a thank you from Uncle Sam. You sacrificed for this country. This is their way of giving back to you and your family. Here's the big deal. With a VA loan, you could snag a house with zero down payment. Plus, there's no PMI, that's private mortgage insurance, which means more money in your pocket every single month. And the cherry on top, lower interest rates, which means you're saving big over the life of the loan. If this sounds too good to be true, stick around. I'm a loan officer in the military, and trust me, you need to hear this.
I'm listening.
Let's get down to who qualifies. I get asked this question a lot, and it's usually followed by some pretty big myths, so let's get this straight. If you're active duty, a veteran, a National Guard or reservist, or in some cases a military spouse, you could be eligible for a VA loan. You just need what's called a Certificate of Eligibility, or COE. Your lender will help you get that. I could pull this immediately and we'll know right out of the gate if you're eligible. Or we need to submit some forms to apply for your eligibility. Okay, we've got a COE. So before we get into the process and myths, let's talk about how this program is funded to support our veteran community. The VA guarantees this program by charging a funding fee. The funding fee is a one-time fee that helps keep the VA loan program going. You can actually roll that fee into the loan. It gets less expensive if you like to put money down, and it will be more expensive if this is your second time use of the VA home loan benefit. But check this out. If you have a service-connected disability or you're a Purple Heart recipient, the fee is waived entirely. That's right, waived. No fee at all. That's Uncle Sam looking out for you.
I like the sound of this.
So how do I get my hands on this benefit? Step 1 is getting pre-approved. Think of this as your recon mission. I'll analyze your income, credit score, and assets and tell you how much house you can comfortably afford. You come to me knowing your budget ahead of time? That is tactical planning at its finest. Need that ticket to shop? I'm the friendly person at the ticket window and I love what I do. Now it's time to house hunt. This is the fun part. Go tour some homes, scope out the scene, think about the things you're wanting for your budget, but have fun and enjoy the process. You only get to do this a few times in your life, so take it all in. Of course, just like any house you'd ever want to be living in, it must meet the VA's minimum property requirements. The VA wants to make sure the place is safe, sound, and sanitary. No haunted basements, no broken down rooftops. It's gotta be a place that Uncle Sam would want you to live in. I'll be able to tell you at first glance if there are any red flags. Offer submitted. Seller comes back with, yes, we like your offer. Cue the happy dance. Congratulations. This is where the train leaves the station.
Hallelujah!
Now here's where we need a little recon mission called the underwriting and appraisal process. Once you're under contract, we'll order a VA appraisal to make sure the home's worth what you're paying. Then comes underwriting. Think of this like your pre-combat checks and inspections before a big mission. So my advice, until the underwriters and appraisers say all clear, don't start ordering that moving truck. The goal is to make it to that finish line without any unexpected detours. Just sit tight, stay cool, and remember, patience, grasshopper. You're almost there.
Patience.
Finally, it's closing day.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for.
Sign a bunch of documents, the VA loan funds, and boom, you're a homeowner. All you've got to do is grab those keys and take that epic new homeowner selfie. Let's be real. If you don't post about it, did it even happen? Now we've skimmed over the process, let's talk about the two biggest myths out there about the VA home loan. Myth number 1, I can only use a VA loan once. False. VA loans aren't a one and done deal. You could use them multiple times as long as you meet certain requirements. As long as you make your next house your primary residence and can stay under the county limits, you can keep your old home and start dabbling into that real estate investor game. So if you're worried about using it up, stop right there. You could use it again and again as long as you're eligible. All right, myth number 2, VA loans take forever to close. Also wrong. It's all about having the right lender who knows VA loans. There's no reason a VA loan should take any more time to do. It's fast and efficient, just like your military training.
Attention!
So if you hear people saying VA loans are slow, just smile and say, who are you getting your loan from?
Who?
If you've got a team that knows what they're doing, it's a smooth process. So here's the VA loan lowdown. No down payment, no PMI, competitive interest rates, and a lot of flexibility. These loans are made specifically for those of us in the military family. This isn't just a loan. It's a serious benefit that can make owning a home easier and cheaper than any other options out there. So that's your intro into VA loans from one loan officer / military member to another. If you're thinking about going for a VA loan, have any questions, or just want to learn more, drop a comment below. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more insider tips on how to make the most out of your home loan benefits. I'll see you on the next video. Happy house hunting.